Hey, if you want to make the Microsoft Edge as a default browser on your Windows 11, all you have to do is just to click on the Start and go into the settings. Now from here, you will have to navigate to the left side and select Apps and go to the default apps. Now you will have to find Microsoft Edge, so click on the search apps and input Microsoft Edge. And after this, you will get the Microsoft Edge. You have to click on it, and now we can tap to set as a default. As you can see now, most of the types, file and links will open in the Microsoft Edge, but here we can still find the PDF files to be open as default in the Google Chrome. And to change it, we have to click on it, select Microsoft Edge from the list, and do this for every file type. And after this, it's finished. That's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.